In today's countdown, at number 10, the Yongkang Sublimation Pen Bag Pen Sleeve. This DIY blank leather and colored leather pen case is designed to hold 1 to 3 pens. Perfect for those looking to add a personal touch, the blank sublimation surface allows for custom designs. The colored leather not only adds a stylish look but also protects your pens from wear and tear. With its heat-resistant and waterproof features, this pen sleeve ensures durability and longevity. Ideal for personal use or as a thoughtful gift for any occasion, from birthdays to anniversaries. Craft your own unique style with the Yongkang Sublimation Pen Bag Pen Sleeve. In our top 10 countdown, at number 9, the Yongkang Sublimation Pen Bag Pen Sleeve. This versatile pen case comes in a set of 3, featuring both blank and colored leather options. Designed for 1 to 5 pens, it's perfect for those who love to personalize their accessories. The blank sublimation surface allows for creative DIY projects, while the colored leather provides a stylish and protective casing. Crafted from high-quality PU leather, it offers heat resistance, waterproofing, and durability. Ideal for personal use or as a thoughtful gift for any occasion, from holidays to memorable milestones. Elevate your pen storage with the Yongkang Sublimation Pen Bag Pen Sleeve. At number 8 in our countdown, the Prima Marketing Papillon Blanc Oval Hardware. Part of the Memory Hardware collection, these resin frames are designed for crafting memorable albums with plenty of customization options. Available in various themes, these oval frames measure 5.5 inches in length, 4 inches in width, and 0.125 inches in height. Perfect for adding a touch of elegance and personalization to your creative projects. Explore the versatility of Prima Marketing's Papillon Blanc Oval Hardware and elevate your crafting experience. Coming in at number 7, the Prima Marketing Prima Princess's Coloring Book. This enchanting coloring book originates from China and offers a delightful creative experience. With dimensions of 8 inches in length, 10 inches in width, and a package height of 1 inch, it provides a spacious canvas for intricate designs and beautiful illustrations. Perfect for artists of all ages seeking to bring their imagination to life. Discover the magic within the Prima Marketing Prima Princess's Coloring Book and let your creativity flourish. At number 6 in our countdown, Theater Nerds Coloring Pages. This set of 4 hand-drawn illustrations is a must-have for any musical theater enthusiast. Printed on high-quality 100-pound matte cardstock, each page measures 8.5 by 11 inches, offering a sturdy and elegant canvas for coloring. The images themselves are sized perfectly at 8 by 10 inches, ideal for framing and displaying as personalized artwork. Whether as a Christmas, birthday, or cast gift, these pages allow Broadway lovers to express their passion in a stylish and unique way. Explore your creativity with markers, colored pencils, or gel pens, and bring these Broadway-inspired designs to life. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations. Next up at number 5, the Prima Marketing Coloring Book Volume 4. This coloring book serves as a stress reliever suitable for all ages, featuring exclusive images designed to ignite creativity and relaxation. With dimensions of 8 inches in length, 10 inches in width, and a height of 1 inch, it offers ample space for intricate coloring. Perfect for unwinding and expressing artistic flair, explore the therapeutic benefits of Prima Marketing's Coloring Book Volume 4 and bring your imagination to life. At number 4, the Breyer Stablemates Coloring and Activity Book by Reeves International. This engaging book offers hours of creative fun for horse lovers of all ages. Featuring a variety of activities and beautifully detailed illustrations of stablemates, it provides a perfect blend of coloring and educational content. Produced by Reeves International, this book promises quality and enjoyment, making it an ideal gift for anyone passionate about horses. Dive into the world of Breyer Stablemates with this captivating coloring and activity book. Ranked at number 3, the Podge Photo Transfer KIT. Everything you need for flawless photo transfers is included in this kit: an 8-ounce bottle of photo transfer medium, a squeegee, brayer, and 2 brush applicators. This creamy formula ensures a smooth finish when transferring photocopies from a dry toner printer to various surfaces like wood, fabric, paper, canvas, and more. Perfect for creating custom decals and appliques, Podge Photo Transfer Medium is water-based, non-toxic, and proudly made in the USA. Cleanup is simple with soap and water, making it suitable for crafters of all ages. Enhance your decoupage projects with the Podge Photo Transfer Kit. At number 2, Crafters Images PhotoFabric 10601016 by Blumenthal. This innovative product allows you to print your own photos and designs on fabric. Ideal for quilting, crafts, and personalized projects, Crafters Images PhotoFabric offers endless creative possibilities. Each package includes a brand new, unopened item that guarantees quality and freshness. Explore your creativity with this versatile fabric that transforms your digital images into tangible works of art. Discover why Crafters Images PhotoFabric by Blumenthal is a must-have for crafters and artists alike. And now, the number 1 product, the Melissa & Doug On-The-Go Magicolor Coloring Pad Princess. This coloring pad features 18 enchanting pages filled with whimsical royal scenes. Using 4 mess-free markers, the Magicolor paper reveals pink, blue, purple, and yellow colors only on the paper, ensuring no marks on clothes, tabletops, or skin. The princess-themed illustrations depict scenes of princesses painting, riding horses, dancing, and more, fostering creativity and imagination. With built-in marker storage and a convenient travel size, it's perfect for on-the-go fun. Ideal for enhancing fine motor skills and encouraging independent play, the Melissa & Doug On-The-Go Magicolor Coloring Pad Princess is a must-have for young artists everywhere. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations.